In the cold, silent expanse of space, there is one question that lingers. What if we don't make it? Exodus 9. Humanity's last hope. A mission to escape a dying Earth. A journey that was never meant to be a return. The world we once knew is gone, our home, lost to time and disaster, yet we had hope. Hope that one final mission would preserve what we are, and carry it beyond the stars.
Is this it, the last message? This is Exodus 9. If anyone is out there, this is humanity's final message.
In the final moments, we send our message to the void, not for salvation, but for remembrance. We were here, we loved, we lived, and now we must let go. And so the last message from Earth drifts into eternity, a haunting whisper among the stars. If you loved Interstellar, Gravity, or The Wandering Earth, this story is for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the stars. #space story, #sci-fi short film, #animated story, #the last message, #YouTube Sci-Fi, #AI storytelling.